Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone where the touch and hold three finger screenshot guys. How can we fix friends? You have guys this three finger guys this touch and hold setting guys. So how can we fix guys this screenshot problem today friends? I will show you. I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, you can see guys when we touch and hold guys this on any area. So friends, you can see guys the screenshot settings. So friends, you want to fix this problem, so guys you can fix from your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, click on guys your phone system setting guys. We will on guys phone system setting, then guys click on guys this phone gesture and management setting. Then you can see guys your phone touch and hold screenshot guys. We will tap here to fix. Friends, you can see guys you can hold and guys you can touch on your screen with finger. This screenshot will not work. So like that guys you can fix guys this touch and hold three finger to take a screenshot setting in Oppo phone device. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to fix three finger touch and hold three finger to take a screenshot. So bye bye.